Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please like and subscribe my channel, and it's a great opportunity for the tech workers, and Alberta started the new program. This program is only for the tech workers, and if you are watch full video, so you will understand the entire process of this pilot program, and what is the requirement, and how it's work. So first of all, you need the express entry profile as before Alberta program. So this program will the fastest way, like they have mentioned that under this new path, the tech professional from the across Canada and overseas can become a permanent resident in a little 6 months if they have a job offer in demand tech industry occupation. So what is the occupation list? So I can show you the official page, and this is the official page, and this is all the knocks under tech draw, under tech industry pilot program. So if you are under this draw, this knock, so you are eligible of this program. So what you have to do, simple, it's pretty simple, that if you have a express entry profile and your minimum score is 600, so I just download from the here, okay, the occupations list, and here you can see there's the 300 minimum score, and your job, it's per week 30 hours per week. You have a profile at least it has 9 months left to expire. That means if you have 3 months or less to expire, so you cannot eligible of this pathway. So you have to create another express entry profile, and this is the criteria. You are not eligible if you are under this category. So once you enter the express entry profile, then you have to submit this accelerated tech pathway form. You can see this is the official website, and you can found it. So this is the 6th step you have to be complete. Once you complete, so your profile will be show in a tech pathway, so they can you, maybe they will get you, they will send you email or something like that, but mostly the people get NOI from the Alberta. So this is the opportunity for the tech people, and this program recently start, and I think this is a great opportunity. As you know, the people are very frustrated about there is no FSW draw since a year, more than a year now. So hope you will understand the entire process, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.